First command is ls. It lists all the folders and files. Here I have two folder, storage and test. Here I have two directories, and directories is the cooler way to say folder. Storage, test. Okay, it matches. Let me make a list of things that I should learn. Make a new folder, delete folder, make a file, delete a file, edit a file, download tools, delete tools, navigate terminal. So to navigate we use cd command and file name. Let's say I wanna go into the storage. I will write storage. If I write ls, it will print all the directories. If I wanna go back to the parent directory, I can write just cd and double dot. If I wanna go to home directory, I can just write cd enter. To clear the screen, I can write clear. And now let's see how to make a directory. How to make a folder in terminal. Use the mkdir command to create a folder. Okay, I write mkdir and then I assume I need to write the folder name anchor. Let me list to see. Okay, it's created anchor, right? I can check this. Next, let's see how to delete a folder. Use the rmdir command to remove the directory specified by the directory parameter from the system. Okay, so I need to write rmdir. Let's say I want to remove the test one. Enter. Fail to remove test directory, not empty. Let me remove rmdir anchor. It is empty. Enter. Now let me list. So storage and test are left and my anchor folder is deleted, but I can't delete test because it is not empty. Let me fix that. Use the rm command with the recursive option -r. Okay, I have to write rmdir remove directory -r test. It will remove the test even though it's not empty. Invalid option -r. It did not work. Okay, I have to use rm command, not the rmdir. So I have to write rm -r and then write test. Okay, now if I list, that is deleted. Okay, so now I can delete folder. So that's done. Next I want to make a file. How do I make a file? Okay, I found it. I need to write touch, then the file name. Let's say I write my file.txt. Now if I ls, I have my file. Now how do I edit this? How do I edit my file? How do I put text in this? Let me do some research. Okay, to edit this file I need to install a text editor. So I need to write apt install nano. Let me clear. I believe nano is installed. Now I can use nano, my file name with extension. Okay, now I can write anything if I want to. To save it, I need to press Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X to exit. So I learn how to download tools. I downloaded nano. I learn how to edit a file. I also wanna know how to delete file. I think I can use rm, my file name with extension. If I do ls, okay, my file is deleted. So this is how I delete my files. I also learn how to navigate through cd. Now I want to learn how to delete tools. So I can use apt remove to remove any tools. apt remove nano. I'll confirm it. Okay, nano is removed. I also found a cool command, that is c matrix. Oh, that is sick. Full hacker vibes. How do I escape it? Control C. That is cool. So now I can delete tools. apt install neofetch. Neofetch is installed. Neofetch. I don't get any information from this. Let's find another way. Okay, let me clear this. apt install. Let me clear this right now. Let's see. Htop. Enter. Okay, now I can see the information. This is cool. This is the device information. How I can see. I don't know how to use it right now, but this is cool. Control C to escape.